What is up? We are here in Pompano Beach at the First Reef. There's some buoys here if you want to take your boat and tie up so you don't have to anchor. We're actually on a paddleboard and was originally going to try a lobster, but just wanted to check out everything. Paddled from shore. It's not too bad, maybe 10-12 minutes. It's not very windy. Current's not that bad. I went out here the other day just to check it out. It looks like some good spots, so let's go see what we can find. Oh, we out here. A little partly cloudy, but there's a little, I guess, thermal layer maybe. First like 5 feet, it's a little dingy, and then you go under it and it looks real good.
Yeah, it's like crazy green, especially if you're looking like away from you, it's super murky, but then if you're looking straight down, it's not as bad.
Yeah.
But then as soon as, yeah, it's like 3 feet under, it's really blue too. It takes all the green away.